Hi, welcome to today's class and today's lesson, Appositives. So what's an appositive? How can you identify an appositive? And how can you use it to combine sentences? Let's go over this together. Which word or group of words follows a noun and identifies or explains it? That would be an appositive. An appositive is a word or group of words that follows a noun and identifies or explains the noun. It is usually set off by commas from the rest of the sentence. Here we have an example of an appositive. Hunter, the family dog, was sick last week. The family dog is an appositive. It's a group of words that follows the noun hunter and it explains it. So without this appositive, we would not know that hunter is the family dog. An appositive can be used to combine two short sentences. How can that be? Let's see together. I saw Steve at the gym. Steve is my office coworker. I saw Steve, my office coworker, at the gym. My office coworker is an appositive that follows the noun Steve and identifies it. So can you see now how we combine those two short sentences? Let's do this in an activity together. But first, let's try to identify an appositive in a sentence. In this activity, you have to underline the appositive and circle the noun it explains. Number 1. Lizzie, my cat, is very lazy. What is the appositive here? My cat. My cat is an appositive that describes or explains what noun? Lizzie. Without the appositive my cat, we would not know that Lizzie is actually a cat. So Lizzie here is the noun and the appositive that follows this noun is my cat. Okay, number 2. Sam, my neighbor, invited me to dinner yesterday. The noun here is Sam. My neighbor is the appositive that identifies Sam or explains the noun Sam. Number 3. Do you want to watch Avatar, a science fiction movie? If I say, do you want to watch Avatar? And usually you're not interested in science fiction movies, you would say yes. And when you go to the movie with me and you find out that it is a science fiction movie, you would be disappointed. However, if I say, do you want to watch Avatar, a science fiction movie? You would then say no because you don't like science fiction movies and I have told you prior. So you see the importance of appositives? It identifies the noun that you are talking about. Avatar is a noun and it is explained by the appositive, a science fiction movie. In this activity, you have to combine sentences by adding an appositive. Number 1. Lily takes care of my plants. Lily is my sister. How can we combine these two sentences? What do we have here? Something that explains who Lily is. Lily, my sister, takes care of my plants. Here, we combine the sentences and we added an appositive, which is my sister, that explains the noun Lily. Number 2. We went to Disneyland. Disneyland is my favorite place to visit. How can we add an appositive in this sentence? Do we have a certain group of words that describes a certain noun? Yes, my favorite place to visit is actually a group of words that describes the noun Disneyland. So how can we make this one sentence? How can we combine these two sentences? We went to Disneyland, comma, my favorite place to visit. Period. Done. This is a sentence that has an appositive. My favorite place to visit is an appositive that describes Disneyland. Number 3. Did you hear about the Valdivia earthquake? Valdivia earthquake was the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. Is there a group of words that describes a certain noun? Yes, Valdivia earthquake is a noun that is described as being the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. So how will the sentence be? Did you hear about Valdivia earthquake, comma, the most powerful earthquake ever recorded? Question mark. This is your answer key for the activity, and I hope you go over them by yourself. That was all for this lesson. Thank you for attending this class.